Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add header and footer in Excel. Go to page layout, select print title and click header or footer. Then select custom header. Left section, left, center section, center, right section, right. Then OK and custom footer. Left, left and center sections, page and page, up page. Simply you added the page number and right sections, type your sentence, then OK. Then again margins, customs margins, sheet, select header and left, select, then OK, then print. We can see header and footer.